All right, question 39. 43% of our students got this question correct on the mock exam. Function f is graphed below. So here is function f right here. Notice there's two different points. This is a closed point, which means that this point, -2, -3, is part of the line. And then right here, this is an open point, which means that this line goes all the way up to 4, 3, but because it's an open point, this line doesn't include the point 4, 3. 4, 3 just shows you where the border of this line is. What is the range of f? First thing I'm going to think of when I see this is I need to know what range means. So range means all, oops, let's do this down here actually. Range means all possible y values. What are all the possible y values in this problem? So as I'm looking at all the possible y values, I'm thinking to myself, here's my y-axis, and I want to know for this graph, what are all the possible y values? So looking at my answer choices, I'm immediately going to cross off A and B because A and B are both talking about x's. So those are definitely wrong. So cross that off. Can't be A, can't be B. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check what is my lowest y value and what is my highest y value. So when I go to the lowest part of this graph, it's right over here. This is the lowest part of my graph. And again, I'm looking at the y-axis because I want to know what's the lowest y value. So the lowest y value is -1, -2, -3. And the highest y value is on the other side up here. The highest y value is over here at +3. So I'm looking for -3 to a +3. Ooh, both of these choices have -3 to +3. So, oh, that's right. The type of points matter. So this one was a closed point, and a closed point means I'm going to use less than or equal to. This one is an open point, which just means less than. So at -3, I should see less than or equal to. That's what D says. That's my closed sign. And then at +3, I should see an open sign. Yep, that's what I see. So the answer would be D. This one's my closed point, so I have the half equal sign there. This one's my open point, so I just have the less than sign. So the answer choice is D.